Hello friends, today let's study about Dupuytren's contracture. Dupuytren's contraction is a condition that gradually causes connective tissue, that is fascia, under the skin of your palm to thicken and become scar-like. Although Dupuytren's isn't always painful, it does restrict movement. The thickened tissue forces several fingers, usually your ring and pinky finger, to curl in towards your palm. The bending caused by the thick tissue is called contracture. Now let's see what are the symptoms. Dupuytren's contracture typically progresses slowly over years. The condition usually begins as a thickening of the skin on the palm of your hand. As it progresses, the skin on your palm might appear puckered or dimpled. A firm lump of tissue can form on your palm. This lump might be sensitive to touch but usually isn't painful. In later stages of Dupuytren's contracture, cords of tissue from under the skin on your palm and can extend up to your finger. As these cords tighten, your finger might be pulled toward your palm, sometimes severely. The two fingers farthest from the thumb are commonly affected, though the middle finger also can be involved. Causes for this disease is doctors don't know what causes Dupuytren's contracture. There's no evidence that head injuries or occupation that involve vibration to the hands cause the condition. Complications for this disease are Dupuytren's contracture can make it difficult to perform certain functions using your hands. Since the thumb and index finger aren't usually affected, many people don't have much inconvenience or disability with fine motor activities such as writing. But as Dupuytren's contracture progresses, it can limit your ability to fully open your hand, grasp large objects, or to get your hand into narrow places. Treatment for this disease is if the disease progresses slowly, causes no pain, and has little impact on your ability to use your hands for everyday tasks, you might not need treatment. Instead, you can wait and see if Dupuytren's contracture progresses. You may wish to follow the progression with a tabletop test, which you can do on your own. Treatment involves removing or breaking apart the cords that are pulling your finger towards your palm. This can be done in several ways. The choice of procedure depends on the severity of your symptom and other health problems you may have. Needling. This technique uses a needle inserted through your skin to puncture and break the cord of tissue that contracting a finger. Contracture often recur, but the procedure can be repeated. Friends, I hope you got some knowledge. I have tried this new technique because some of them don't want to read because they get bored. So you can listen this and gain knowledge. So daily you can learn one disease. Thank you.